it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give me, I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give me, I'm worth it.
Okay, I tell her bring it back like she loves some. Bring it back like she loves some. In the club with the lights off, but you acting shy for. Come and show me that you're with it, with it, with it, with it, with it. Stop playing, now you know that I'm with it, with it, with it, with it, with it, with it. What you acting shy for?
Just give me you, just give me you, just give me you. That's all I wanna do. And if what they say is true, if it's true, I'ma give it to you. I may take a lot of stuff, guaranteed I can back it up. I think I'ma call you bluff. Hurry up, I'm looking out front. You see me in the spotlight, ooh, wherever you're found. Show me what you got, cause I don't wanna waste my time. See me in the spotlight, ooh, wherever you're found. Show me what you got, girl, come and make it worth my while. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give me, I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give me, I'm worth it.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, it's bright. As I was saying, I'm very well aware that I just made a fool of myself, and thank you, Colleen Ballinger, for blessing my timeline with that video. Whew, loving at Coachella, living. There's someone over there. If you haven't already, click the subscribe button down below and give this video a big thumbs up and tag Colleen Ballinger in the comments so she can see this, because I love her and she's my best friend. She's my bae. Share this video with your friends to make them smile, and also go check out Colleen Ballinger's sassy dance video, which I really loved. Which is what blessed my life. And I just really quickly want to say that my Saturday video that was supposed to be up Saturday, guys, like I had edited it and everything, and then okay, so I saved it. It was like 2:30 in the morning because I stayed up for like, it was 8 hours, and then so I had edited for like 8 hours, and at 2:30 in the morning I finally quit and I saved it. I closed my laptop. Come to find out, the next morning it's gone. So now I have to re-edit that.
So like, guy, text me.
Alright, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys this Saturday. Okay, bye.